Kia ora te whānau. Today I'm going to teach you a design called Niho Mano. It's a Hawaiian inspired design that represents shark's teeth. Niho is teeth, Mano is shark. This wallet right here is our unreleased Shaka Tribe wallet. Stay tuned for more. To begin with, we'll need a ruler, pencil, pen and a piece of paper. To start out, we're going to draw some bold lines using the pencil all the way down the page. You don't always have to use a ruler, but it can help when you're first starting. After we've drawn our lines, we're going to draw a center line down the middle. This line will help us to make sure that each triangle will be straight. After completing those lines, measure out a 1-inch space between each line, and this will allow us to have sharp, even triangles. To begin drawing your triangles, start out where the line intersects or crosses, and from there you join it to the center line, making a triangle. Repeat that pattern all the way up until the top. At this stage, because we're using pencil, it may be a little bit harder to see, but later on we'll use a marker so it stands out. On the right side, we're going to draw a variation of the Niho Mano, and so just above that line we're going to draw a point, and this will allow us to draw a different angle of the triangle. So from one section to the other, draw a line and connect the dots all the way up until you reach the top. After you've completed those patterns, you're going to draw a line from the corner to the center of the line, just like this. And you can repeat that line all the way up on one side and finish the next. Personally, I love this design. It adds a bit of variation to the triangle and movement when you see it in a repeated pattern. At this stage, now we're going to outline all the triangles that we've drawn in pencil. This can be quite challenging, so just stay focused. And if a line doesn't look too straight, it's okay, keep going. In the end, the overall picture will be something that you will be proud of and enjoy the look of. Sometimes we can get discouraged if a line isn't too straight and we give up, but the point of this is to practice drawing this pattern so that next time, each time it can get a little bit better. Once you've finished the outline, it's time to erase all the pencil lines. And just make sure that the pen is dry before you do this, because it can smudge the ink. Here it is, whānau, your finished Niho Mano Hawaiian inspired design. This design can represent strength, perseverance, overcoming trials, challenges, embodying the spirit of a warrior. Shark's teeth are an abundant resource in Polynesia and a beautiful symbol. And that is why we put this special design onto our full grain leather MagSafe flip wallet that my wife and I created and have been testing out for the past month. And there's not one day that we don't love using it, because it acts as a stand. And so when we're working at home on the laptop, or if we're watching a YouTube video horizontally, this wallet stand has got you. This can hold about 5 cards, and we made sure there was a little window for your ID. This will come out in 4 designs: tan color and black. I'm super excited about. When you see the black, I think it might be game over. If you're worried about not having a magnet for your phone, it's simple. We sell those separately and you can attach it to any phone case, whatever phone you have. Again, I've been testing these for the past 3 months now, and if you ever try and prop your phone up on a cup or whatever it is, this is your solution. To bring it back, the reason why my wife and I started Shaka Tribe was to share these designs to inspire people to be true to themselves and to connect to their roots. This isn't just a really cool looking wallet and very functional. It's something that hopefully can remind you to be a warrior, to be strong, and to overcome those challenges that you face every single day. Ngā mihi kia koutou. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and our new upcoming wallets. Let me know how you got on in the comments below. Till next time, kia ora.